Organized by the Lagos State Universal Basic Education Board, this Management Capacity Development Workshop had in attendance the management staff of the Lagos State Universal Basic Education Board, education secretaries across the state, and other key players in the education sector.
We need to provide responses to some of the challenges raised in the field by our basic education quality assurance officers. We need to respond to some of the issue raised about the homegrown school feeding program. And as administrators, we must come together here, sit down and analyze some of these challenges in a practical manner.
The workshop entailed robust interaction, exchange of ideas, empowerment of the workforce, and updating of recent happenings within the sector.
We will do a formative assessment on each of our programs. Formative in the sense that we will analyze and evaluate them, from time to time, rather than waiting for the last minute for us to do a summative assessment. So it is better for us. This is the best way to go. Identify issue, address them immediately. You don't have to wait till the end. So we will continue to do that to ensure that we get the best for the education sector, particularly the basic education sector in the state.
Participants say they will apply all the knowledge acquired in their various education districts.
When you look at the beginning and the objectives of the city, you realize that it's full of knowledge sharing, comparing notes, getting feedback, making suggestions, acquiring new knowledge, new information. Because life is about change.
The essence of coming together is to appraise whatever programs that we are doing. So I have to give it to the Lasubeb chairman, because this is the first of its kind, whereby all stakeholders are being invited periodically to come and review whatever program that we have put in place, so that your observation, your contribution, recommendation can be married together to see to the improvement of the development of education in the state.
As far as our association is concerned, this gathering has really given us the opportunity to play our own role, express our own feelings, make our own contribution towards the development of the board in all its exercises.
At the end of the workshop, participants are expected to consolidate on all thoughts as a basis for a formidable team that is determined to improve basic education in Lagos State.